Less than 2 months after the United States declared independence, King George sends his redcoats to invade Long Island. Severely outnumbered, General George Washington must retreat before the British destroy the Continental Army. Pennsylvania and Delaware troops fail to protect the escape path, but a few hundred Maryland men stand firm. They hold the line. America lives to fight another day, but less than a dozen Marylanders survive. Tradition holds that while watching the battle, George Washington mourned, "Good God, what brave fellows I must this day lose." A few hundred earned the name the Maryland 400, and Maryland forever bears the name, the Old Line State. For more on this, visit WJZ.com/MD250. And every week, watch WJZ's Star Spangled Stories, celebrating 250 years of Maryland history.